Hello students, welcome to the biology class. In the previous class we discussed about few points of genetic code. Today we will learn about the genetic code. It's very important. It is a message of the DNA which is stored in the mRNA. The codons which are present in the DNA, those codons are not called as a genetic code. Okay, the sequences or the nucleotides which are present in mRNA, that sequence is usually called as a genetic code. It is actually a information of the DNA, even though the message which is present on the mRNA, that is only called as a genetic code. Okay, now we have to discuss about the characteristic features of genetic code. Genetic code means it is a sequence or the 3 nucleotide sequences which are present in the mRNA which codes for a single amino acid is known as a genetic code. Okay. First we will discuss about salient features or general characteristic features of the genetic code. General characteristics of genetic code. Okay. In that first one, codons are triplets. Codons are triplets means always 3 nucleotide base pairs are known as a codons. About 64 codons are present in that. Only 61 codons codes for amino acid okay. Then 3 codons do not code for any amino acid. In the 64, 3 amino in 64, 61 codes for the amino acid. The remaining 3 codons are not codes for any amino acid. Okay. Next, first characteristic feature, that is the codons are triplets. You have to write the title with explanation. Okay, this is very important for the 5 marks question. You can expect this question many times in the final examination. This question arise for the 5 marks. Okay. What are the general characteristic features of the genetic code? First one, codons are triplets. Okay. Next one, codons are degeneracy. Codons are degeneracy. Once again, second one, codons are degeneracy. Means for the single amino acid, for single amino acid, more than 1 codons are present. I already told that in the previous class. For the single amino acid, there are so many codons are there because only 20 amino acids are present. For that 64 codons are there. Okay. means many codons can code for the same amino acid. This is known as a property of the codon, that is codons are degeneracy. Okay. Example I will give, lysine is amino acid. Lysine is amino acid which is coded by 6 codons. Lysine codes by the 6 amino acids. Next one, again another example, arginine. Arginine is also one of the amino acid. It is also coded by the 6 codons. I will mention here, arginine is coded by CGU, CGC, CGA, CGG. Okay, and AGA, AGG. These are the 6 codons which codes for the same amino acid, that is the arginine. You can see the table 6.1 which is given in your NCERT book, that is the genetic code table. Then you can see that how many codons are codes for the arginine, how many codons are codes for the leucine, how many codons are code for serine. Like that you have to make the note on that. Okay. Now we have to move to the third characteristic feature of genetic code. Third one, the codons are very specific or unambiguous and specific. Codons are unambiguous and specific. One codon codes for only one amino acid, means it's very accurate and specific. We can say that it is unambiguous and the very specific. One codon codes for only one amino acid, hence it is called as a specific. Don't get confused in the second characteristic feature and third character. In the second characteristic feature of the genetic code, they told that one amino acid can be coded by so many codons, but only one codon is very specific for the coding. One codon codes for only one amino acid. Idu yav tara andre amino acid yavade codon indanu coded agbodu, but one codon capacity enu andra it can code for only one amino acid, but the capacity of amino acid can be coded by many codons. ಯಾವ ಥರ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು ಅಮೈನೋ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್ಡು ಬಹಳಷ್ಟು ಕೋಡಾನಿಂದನೂ ಕೋಡ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು, ಬಟ್ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡಾನ್ ಕೆಪಾಸಿಟಿ ಏನು, ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಫಾರ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಒನ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆ್ಯಸಿಡ್, ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಕೋಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಸ್ಪೆಸಿಫಿಕ್. ಓಕೆ, next characteristic feature, for example I will give here AUG can code for, sorry, I have to write in the capitals, AUG can codes for methionine. I did mistake here students. When you are going to write the codons, you have to use the capital letters, okay, because these are the different nitrogen base pairs. Okay, AUG is a methionine. There is a special quality for the methionine. I will explain the next characteristic feature. Here codons are continuous. Codons are continuous. I will use the word codons are commaless. Codons are commaless means the codons can read in a mRNA in a continuous fashion. There is no any punctuation, there is no any gap. The codons is read in mRNA by read in a mRNA in a continuous manner. Continuous manner. It doesn't have any gap or punctuation. ಯಾವುದೇ ಕಾಮ ಮತ್ತು ಯಾವುದೇ ಗ್ಯಾಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. We can read continuously, which is present on the mRNA. Next, codons are nearly universal. Next characteristic feature, codons are universal. Here we can say that, one second, the codons are nearly universal means the codons are same in every organism, means same codon for same amino acid, there is no change, but except mitochondrial genome. The mitochondria also have the DNA, it is known as the mitochondrial genome. Okay, but in case of mitochondrial genome in mammalians, codons code for different amino acid, different amino acids. Okay, this is a specific characteristic feature of a mammalian mitochondrial genome. Okay, the codons which are present in mans, humans, any other animals like ant, those codons are codes for the same amino acid, but there is a difference. The mitochondrial DNA, the mitochondria which is present in humans, it have the specific DNA known as a mitochondrial genome. If there is a presence of genome, means there is a synthesis of protein. The genome which produces the RNA, in that RNA the codons which are present, they codes for the different amino acid. It's not just like a normal coding, it is just different from the normal coding. Okay, next, codons are non-overlapping. Codons are non-overlapping. If I can take AUG, GUG, CCU, AAC, consider these are the codons. The 3 codons can code for 1 amino acid, 3 codons can code for 1 amino acid, 3 codons can code for 1 amino acid, means there is no overlapping like this. If we consider these 3, it may get confusion. That's why we can say if AUG is present in the first place, the codons must be read as a continuous. Okay, if AUG, that is the initial codon, is present in the first place. The codon must be read as a open reading frame. Okay, if in the mRNA this is the 5' capping, this is the poly A tail. The sequences which are present in the middle of this tailing and head, it is known as the coding sequences. This coding sequence is also known as open reading frame. Open reading frame. If there is the presence of AUG in the initial sequence, we can read like that: AUG, UGA, GGA, CGA, like that you have to read continuously without any gap, without any comma. Okay, next. Next function, that is the codons, means AUG is a initiation codon. AUG is the initiation codon, means AUG is present in the initial place of every translation. Okay, initiation. AUG is a initiation codon. Initiation. It initiates the process of translation. Okay, initiator codon or initiation codon or initiator. Okay, then the AUG, remember this one, AUG has dual function. Dual in the sense two functions. First one, it is act as an initiator. Another function, AUG codes for methionine. These are the two functions of a AUG. This is very important. In this supplement, in this year, in the supplementary exam, this question came from 2 marks. Okay, this is very important. AUG codes for the, AUG has a two functions or the dual functions. AUG act as an initiator and AUG can also codes for the methionine. Okay, next. There are terminated codons also. Terminator codons. There are 3 terminated codons are present. Okay, UAA, UAG and UGA. Just see here, UAA, UAG, UGA. These are known as a terminator codon or stop codons present in the place of terminator. Okay, usually UAA, UGA and UAG doesn't code for any amino acid. These are present in the place of terminator. These are called as terminator codon on the stop codons. If, for example, suppose ಒಂದು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, mRNA ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ತಿಳ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ, 5' to 3' ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಇಫ್ AUG ಇತ್ತು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್, AUG ಆಮೇಲೆ GGG, ಓಕೆ, UAA ಸಪೋಸ್ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಮಿಡಲ್ ಬಂದುಬಿಡ್ತು, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನ್ ಸಿಂಥಸಿಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವಾಗ UAA ಬರುತ್ತದೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸ್. Means it is a red symbol, means stop codon is present means ultimately there is no translation. The translation must be stopped at that point. Okay. Any condition translation ಆ ಪಾಯಿಂಟಿಗೆ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಆಗಬೇಕು. It is known as a terminated codon or the stop codon, also called as a nonsense codons. Next, codons are read, point number A9, codons are read always from 5 prime to 3 from direction. Always can read by the 5 prime to 3 prime direction. Okay. These are the characteristic features of the genetic code. Once again we can repeat that codons are triplets. Okay. First one, codons are degeneracy. Then codons are unambiguous and specific. Codons are very specific. Okay. Next one, you can see the third one and fourth one. Codons are commaless. You have to understand each and every characteristic feature. While explaining for the 5 marks, you have to mention the title of the character and you have to explain that character like this. Okay. Codons are commaless. Next, codons are universal, but for the universal characteristic feature there is a exception. Okay. You have to remember that in the mammalian mitochondrial DNA the codons are different, means those codons are codes for the different amino acid than the normal body or the nucleus DNA. Then the codons are non-overlapping. Yes, the codons are non-overlapping. Next, the AUG is called as the initiator codon. Remember this one, AUG has a two functions or dual functions, initiator and it codes for the methionine. Okay. Then next one, terminator codons. This is very important. This is also come for the 1 marks or 2 marks questions. Which are the terminator codons? UAA, UGA, UAG. These are the terminator codons which codes for the, which doesn't code for any amino acid, just these are known as nonsense codons or the stop codons. Last one, codons are read in the direction of 5 prime to 3 prime direction. Always the codons can read by the 5 prime to 3 prime direction. These are the characteristic features of the codons. Okay. Yesterday I told that you have to practice the codon table, genetic code table. Once again we have to read that one. Okay. I will zoom it. I already explained how to read this, how to draw this table. Okay. In the first, you can make it easy by observing highest amino acid which are codes for the many codons. Means here you can see in the first position, second table, second square, this codes for the leucine. Then you can see, I will make it easy. Okay. We can write the numbers on top, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Then 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. Okay. Totally 16 boxes are there. In first we have to mention a easy one. a two box which all the codons codes for a serine. This is the one method of memorizing this genetic code table. Okay, then box number 5, it is codes for leucine. Then box number 7 completely, which codes for the valine. Then box number 8, which codes for the proline. Box number 9, which codes for threonine. Okay, then box number 10, which codes for alanine. Then box number 14, which codes for arginine. Then box number 16, which codes for glycine. Means first we have to write all the codons in that box which codes for the same amino acid. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನಾವು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗೆ ಒಂದೇ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟದಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಬಾಕ್ಸಸ್ ಆ ಥರ 8 ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 8 ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ಗೆ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10, 14, 16 ಈ ಥರ ನೆನ್ಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ದೆನ್ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಇದು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟು 4 ಕೋಡಾನ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ಇಟ್ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ದ one of the method to remember this all the amino acid. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಂದು ಬಾಕ್ಸ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ 3 ಕೋಡಾನ್ಸು ಸೇಮ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಒಂದೇ ಒಂದು ಕೋಡಾನು ಡಿಫ್ರೆಂಟ್ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಮಾಡೋದು, ಆ ಥರ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು. ನಾವು ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟಾಗಿ ಇದನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೀವಿ, ಇದನ್ನು ಕವರ್ ಮಾಡೀವಿ. ಈಗ ಇದು ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್ ದೆನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಒನ್, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್. ಓಕೆ, ಟೋಟಲಿ ದೆನ್ Siri 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 okay 9. Next we have to focus on such boxes which codes for the 2 amino acids. Here we get this one. This is the one and only box which have the 6 number. Here top 3 means which codes for illi, then only one codon which codes for AUG. This is a very familiar codon. AUG codes for the methionine in that box, except that methionine all the codons codes for a different amino acids. Okay, this one is also O. Then we have to focus on the boxes which codes for 2 types of amino acids. See here, this one, box number 11, there are 2 amino acids, CAU, CAC, which codes for histidine, and another 2 amino acid which is codes for the different one. Next one, arsenic and lysine, then aspergine and glycine. Okay, this is the one of the method to remember the genetic code table. It will help you to code the amino acid by seeing these codons. Suppose ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬುಕ್ ಒಳಗಡೆ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಈ ಥರ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರೆ. ಇದನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ ನೀವು ಯಾವ ಅಮೈನೋ ಆಸಿಡ್ ಕೋಡ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ AUG ನ ನೋಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ನೀವೇನು ಬರಿಬೋದು, ಮಿಥಿಯೋನೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಏನು, UAA, UAC, UUC, ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು ನೀವು. UUA ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಬರುತ್ತಾ, UUA, ಸಿ ಹಿಯರ್ UUA, UUC. ಓಕೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಫಿನೈಲ್, leucine. ಅದನ್ನೇ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರಿಬೋದು ನೀವು FE and leucine. Like that you have to write UAA, UG, UUG, UUA, UUC ಈ ಥರ ಕೋಡಾನ್ಸನ್ನು ನೋಡಿ you can write the amino acid sequences. Amino acid sequence ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತರ ಅಂದ್ರೆ which type of protein is coded ಅದನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೋದು. Okay, this is the one of the technique to remember this one. Okay, in the next class we will discuss about the mutations which causes the serious disorders by the genetic code. The mutation in the genetic code can cause the serious disorders that we have to discuss in the next class. Thank you.